how to buy 589 token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your research. And also there is referral codes down in the description. You can get free money, rewards on crypto with the best referral codes. Simply use the codes below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. As you can see, before going and buy this token, make sure to check their X account and keep following their updates about this token. So this token, as you can see, it's available on the screener. So to be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here or go and click on trade to XRP. So after you click on trade here, expand this window and you will be able to direct it to First Ledger website to be able to buy this token. Now first, what you need to do is just connect your First Ledger wallet first. After you connect your First Ledger wallet to First Ledger exchange, now go here and set the amount that you want to buy with. For example, if you want to buy 50 XRP, you will be able to receive 245,000.62 of that token. After that, click on buy and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy 589 token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.